thereof. Early lead, there was a spill, Manila style, JB Hernandez took a spill. Passing by the judges' stand for the first time, it's quick play. We have quick play leading the field, followed by You Got It All. Moving up in between horses, Don Alejandro, El Banquero. As they lead the first straight, it's quick play. We have quick play leading the pack by about a length, followed by Don Alejandro in second. Running in third is El Banquero, and in fourth, You Got It All. Running in fifth, Mathematics. Moving up by Darrell is Shades of Red. Then followed by Devil in Disguise, Devil Rising. Has It Coming, Sunday Street, and Elevenian Queen. And nearing the far turn, it's now Don Alejandro. It's Don Alejandro by about 2 lengths. Quick play drops back in second. And closing now in third is Mathematics. And at the home stretch, and it's still Don Alejandro by about 5.5 lengths. And at the last bend for home, it is still Don Alejandro by about a length. Moving up by Darrell is a Shades of Red. It's Don Alejandro, Shades of Red by Darrell. And finally at the payoff wire, it's Shades of Red, Don Alejandro, Devil in Disguise.